Hello, I am Amar Kulkarni. Welcome to my presentation on how to join classroom in Edmodo and how to submit the assignment. Teachers are freely using this Edmodo software because it is a user friendly for both teachers as well as students. By using this software, teacher can easily post study material, assignment, quizzes to the student. Also, student can get easy access to that particular post which is posted by teacher. It works just like Facebook post, but only joined student can access the material which is posted by the teacher of the particular class. Learning outcomes of today's presentation. After completion of this module, you will be able to join Edmodo Classroom through mobile by using class code. Join Edmodo Classroom through PC, laptop, desktop by using class code. Submit assignment or quiz. Roadmap of today's presentation. In this presentation, we'll see how to join Edmodo Classroom by mobile, how to join Edmodo Classroom by using PC, and how to submit assignment quiz in Edmodo. First, we will see how to join Edmodo Classroom by using mobile. So for that purpose, you must open your mobile, then go to the Play Store. So this window will be open. After, by using this search option, you can search for Edmodo. After that, this window will be open. So below that Edmodo there is a install button, so you can install by clicking on this button. After successful installation, you will get Edmodo app in your mobile. So just click on that. So you will get this window, Edmodo. So below that there is a one tab, create free account. So just click on that. Then you will get another window. They are asking either you are teacher or student. If you want to join as a student, just click on student button. So this will take you on another window. So here they are asking of class code, username, password and email for the sign up. So you can ask your teacher for class code. You just add your username as you want, your password, your mail ID, then click on create button like this. If the class code is correct, then this will take you in next window. Here you have to add your first name and last name, then this next button will be visible. Then you just click on this next button, so it will take you in next window. So in this window you need to add your photo, then you have to click on done tab, then it will take you in next window. If you don't want to upload the photo, you just click on done button, then you will come up with this window. So here two options, latest activity and my classes. So in this latest activity you will be able to see the post which is posted by your teachers, and in this my classes you will be able to see how many class you have joined. So in this latest activity there is no any post because till you are not joined any class. At the bottom you just see here the notification button. So you will be notified if any material which is posted by your teacher. You can also message to your teacher for any query. If you want to join class, just click on this plus button. It will take you in next window. Here they are asking for class code, so you can get the class code by your teachers. So you just put the correct class code here, then this join button will be visible. So you just click on join button, so you will get in your classroom after teacher acceptance. So up to we have seen how to join Edmodo classroom by using mobile. In next we will see how to join Edmodo classroom by PC or laptop. For this purpose you need to go with Google. So in this we just type Edmodo and enter. So in this first search you will get Edmodo. So just click on first search. It will take you in another window. If you have already account, just go with login. If you don't have any account in Edmodo, just go with sign up. So they will ask either you are teacher, student or parent. So this Edmodo software gives a feature to join a parent to that particular class to get progress of his son or daughter. If you want to join as a student in the class, just click on this student account. It will take you in this window. So here you have three options. Either you can sign up with your Google account or sign up with Microsoft Office, or you can sign up by filling this information: first name, last name, class code that have provided by your teacher, username as you want, email ID and password at you have want. So after filling this information, this create button will be visible. So I am going with this sign up with Google account. So they are asking the Google account. So I am just clicking on my Gmail account. So after they are asking these, so you just click on allow button. It will take you in next window. That is in your Edmodo account. This account I have already created, so I have notification here. that is notification about the assignments and quizzes. So on the left side corner, see here your profile. By clicking on view profile, you can view your profile. So here you can add your photo as well as your all the information. I'm going with home tab. So below this profile option, you can see here your classes. So here no any class because you have not joined any class. So just click on join class button. It will take you in this window. So here you have to add the class code which is provided by your teacher. I am putting here the class code of classroom. So after that you just click on join button. So this window will be open there. So it gives a message, you have been added to the approval queue for hospital and clinical pharmacy. Means you have requested to teacher to accept your application. After that you have to click on done button. After approval, you will get here the class that you have requested to your teacher. See here you have joined one class after approval by your teacher. So next we will see how to solve and submit assignment and quizzes. See here some posts are there which is posted by the teacher. So I am taking this assignment. So they have provided one question here, how will you define the term satellite pharmacy? So for answering purpose, you just click on this create button. You can submit your assignment by text, Word, PowerPoint or Excel. I am taking here text response. You just add your answer and just click in this tab turn in assignment. Again click on turn in as. So you just see here the message work submitted. Just go with another example. I'm clicking on this home button. So here another post is there. So here your teacher have provided quiz. So I am taking this quiz. Another, you have to click on take quiz. So here 5 minutes is given to answer this question. There is a question 1. So I am selecting here the answers. So after answering all the question, you just click on the top right side corner button submit quiz. So again you have to click on submit. So your quiz is submitted. You can see here your marks 10 out of 10. So today we have seen how to join Edmodo Classroom with mobile as well as desktop or PCs, and how to submit assignment and quiz. At the end, thank you for watching this presentation. If you have any query, you can contact me on the contacts provided on your screen. Thank you very much.